Most gaming setups don't feel wrong at first. It's only after long sessions that the desk starts getting in the way. Cable mess, limited space, or a setup that just doesn't feel comfortable anymore. Some of the desks on this list solve those problems better than others. Let's go through them. If you've ever struggled with cable clutter every time you adjust your desk, the Secretlab Magnus Pro is built to solve that. It's a fully motorized sit-stand desk made entirely from steel, and it stays solid even when raised. The standout feature is the integrated power column, which runs power through the leg so your setup stays clean as the desk moves. The full-length cable tray is easy to access from the top, and the magnetic desktop lets accessories snap into place instead of sliding around. It's one of the best gaming desks out there for gamers or creators who want a setup that feels intentional, clean, and genuinely well thought out. If you're building a gaming setup on a budget and just want something that works without cutting corners, the IKEA Utespelare makes a lot of sense. It features a steel frame with a spacious tabletop that easily fits a full monitor setup, keyboard, and mouse. The height is manually adjustable, so you set it once and forget it, and it stays stable during long gaming sessions. A mesh panel at the back helps keep cables organized, and details like the built-in headphone hook add everyday convenience. This desk is all about strength and stability. The FlexiSpot Premium E7 Pro stands out because it's built more like a workstation frame than a typical gaming desk. Its four-leg, all-steel design is rated to handle extremely heavy setups, which makes a real difference if you're running multiple monitors, large PCs, or audio gear. The dual motors lift everything smoothly and quietly with precise height control and programmable presets. You also get thoughtful extras like an integrated storage drawer, built-in cable tray, and anti-collision safety. The Eureka Ergonomic Aero 72 hits a sweet spot for gamers who want a big, feature-packed desk without jumping into high pricing. The oversized 72-inch surface gives you tons of room for multiple monitors and gear, while the heavy-duty carbon steel frame supports up to 400 pounds without feeling flimsy. One standout feature is the 28-inch slide-out keyboard and mouse tray, which helps reduce wrist strain during long sessions. Thoughtful extras like built-in phone and tablet grooves, custom cable management, a mug holder, and a rotatable headphone hook make the setup feel complete. It's a strong mid-range option for gamers or streamers who want space, comfort, and practicality in one desk. If your budget is around $120, the ErGear electric standing desk is a sensible way to get into a sit-stand setup. It uses a steel frame with reinforced lifting columns that stay stable at standing height for everyday use. Height adjustment is fully electric, ranging from about 28 to 46 inches, with 3 memory presets to make position changes simple. The motor runs smoothly for regular daily adjustments, and low-vacuum materials make it suitable for home offices. Easy assembly rounds it out, making this desk a good fit for basic gaming or work setups on a tight budget. Next on our list is the Secretlab Magnus Evo, which takes the core ideas of the Magnus Pro and makes them more accessible without losing what actually matters. It keeps the essentials you use day-to-day, starting with the integrated power supply column, so only one cable ever runs to the wall. Cable management stays clean and satisfying thanks to the magnetic drop-down tray and dedicated magnetic zones along the back and sides. Height adjustment is precise down to the millimeter with a slim backlit control panel and memory presets built right into the desk edge. Compared to the Pro, this one focuses on simplicity rather than maximum customization. The hybrid two-tone desktop feels smooth but stays durable where the mounts and arms clamp. This desk is ideal if you want a clean, flexible sit-stand setup without paying flagship prices. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextCube Tech channel.